Today's date is June 3rd, 2011. We have a Star SV20 video inspection. Machine's equipped with a Fanuc 16T control. Bar feed system is an LNS hydro bar. Machine also has high pressure coolant. Machine is equipped with a gang slide OD turning block with 3 overhead live cross tools combined with the Y-axis turret. The turret is capable of both live tool holders as well as OD/ID drilling for front and back. And that is a 3-axis turret, 1-axis turret. Machine also has parts conveyor for some of the turret tooling. Drill sleeve holder, another turning block, cross mill, wedge type holder.